What Service Express does, and it's in the mission, it's in our culture, it's in our values. What is it that you as a human being want to achieve in your life, professionally, personally, financially? And then how do we help you get there?
The people that I work with here are very collaborative and have a desire to win.
People here are absolutely selfless. It truly is a team environment.
My leadership team does a really good job of giving you the goal. They're giving you the vision. Hey, here's the opportunities. Here's what you can achieve. You know, we're all in this together. We're all one team. We're helping each other out.
This is a very much a learning and supportive environment. Let's stretch ourselves. Let's get out of our comfort zones, and it's okay if you fail at that. We'll just learn from it and move on.
This career has changed my life in a variety of different ways. One being financially, and also the relationships too.
This career has changed my life by allowing me the opportunity to work with such great people with a great service.
You know, we have a saying here at Service Express, we're people powered, and that's 100% true. You feel like we are all on the same page, on the same team.
One word that I would describe sales at Service Express is intense, while also being fulfilling.
If I had to describe sales in one word at Service Express, it would be fun.
If I was pressed to pick just one, I would have to say empowerment.
If you're having fun, right, you're winning, because winning is fun.
For folks who are interested in a career in sales here at Service Express, I would say apply, ask questions, get to know the people that are here. What do you have to lose?